All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their smartwatch. This is the front of the box. Nothing on the top or bottom. Nothing on the sides either besides the sticker, smartwatch. And then product descriptions, Bluetooth call smartwatch, receive messages, SNS, notifications, cannot reply to messages. Has a heart rate, blood pressure monitor, sleep monitor watch, GPS, recording exercise route, Android 4.4, iOS 8.0 and above, and it has an app on the App Store and Google Play Store. So let's open this on up, see what comes inside of here. Nice little slide off box. Oh, I like the gold. Got our instructions here on top. Look at all that. Little quick start guide telling you how to do everything. And then this seems to be the real manual for the CS08 smartwatch, which has pictures and everything, which is amazing. I love that. Then down in here we have, this is probably our charger and stuff. Free gift. All right, so yes, there's our charger. Nothing else in that box. The charger is a little proprietary connector, so you'll have to keep hold of this cable. And what's our free gift? Just like a screen protector? That's what I think it is. Literally a screen protector. And then the only other thing down in here is cardboard. And yeah, that's it for the box. Here's the actual watch. Love the packaging. They definitely have some very nice packaging. And even the design of this watch, if you're comparing it to some other smartwatches on the market, I can say it looks a lot like the other smartwatches on the market. Nice little silicone band here. There's your charging connectors. There's your heart rate monitor and everything. A turnable button crown here on the side. Look at that screen. But there we go. That should essentially do it for this CS08 smartwatch unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.